नमस्कार, प्रभा शक्ति न्यूज़ नेटवर्क पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस वक्त हम भारत मंडपम में जो AI समिट चल रहा है वहाँ पर एक पेवेलियन में है और ये भारतीय कंपनी है जो कि स्विट्जरलैंड में काम कर रही है। मेरे साथ फोटो जी हैं। आपको ये जो मशीन है इसके बारे में ज़रा बताइए, क्या उपयोगिता है इसकी और कैसे हम लोग बना रहे हैं।
We build some apps and technology that artificial intelligence has today. So they suffer and they cannot understand if there is an unfamiliar object that's been put in front of them. Right? If they are not extensively trained with a large data set, they cannot recognize the objects that they have put in front of them. And for every change that object has, it's impossible for you to train with that much data. So we want to bring the ability that a human baby has into a robot, where without knowing that for a human baby everything is entirely new. The world is entirely new, right? It doesn't stop. It goes and picks. It pulls your hair, pulls your spectacle. It just goes and understands how to kind of grab them, right? So that ability is what we are building into the system, and this largely simplifies manufacturing and enables adoption of robot and AI for manufacturing, especially in putting parts together, like your car assembly, laptop assembly, mobile phone assembly. So all these spaces, it becomes very complicated for you to kind of assemble today, or use robots to assemble today, because they get confused when you put so many items in front of them, and if they have changed, they get confused not knowing what to do, right? So this system can start continuing to perform its task. So if it's unknown, it'll just go and grab the object as it is, look around to see whether it's familiar. Then the moment it's familiar, it starts doing whatever the task it was taught earlier to do. So that is what the ability that we bring into the system as well. So currently, right now, we are engaging with luxury segment car manufacturers in Europe. So next month we will have some pilot engagement happening with Audi. Some of the systems will be working there to perform certain initial trials of attempting to kind of assemble a mirror to the door. And we also have semiconductor fab labs to which maintenance of the machine. For such tasks, we are actually building systems to.
इसकी लागत क्या है, मतलब क्या कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट है?
So we are a 6-year-old company now. We have done 3 rounds of investments. It's a VC-funded company, entirely based out of Bangalore. So we have raised thus far $15 million. If we adjust the INR fluctuation now, it will be around $13 million. So we do need a lot more funding to take it to the market to be much more mature. This is a very small amount compared to global companies where they are raising in billions. So that's a gap that we have. But we're also an 80-member team now based out of Bangalore. So we're looking forward to be able to produce one robot every day by 2028. And for that purpose, we need to invest more into our supply chain, invest more into our capacity and R&D at our office to productize more. And that's what our next goal will be, our future target will be.
तो और असेंबली जो इसकी है आप अपने यहाँ बेंगलोर में कर पा रहे हैं?
बैंगलोर पे कर रहे हूँ अभी।
सप्लाई चेन में तो पूरी तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं?
So supply chain तो थोड़ा global है अभी. So close to 400 parts are there, and the 16 countries from which we source. India is largely mechanical from the front, but a lot of electronics and things comes from different parts of the globe, not essentially just China. It's also like other parts of like Europe, France and Israel and US and Canada, South Korea, and along with China and Taiwan. So we have to kind of figure out how some of those parts can be made here. Some parts we don't have capacity, we have to look globally because they are very AP oriented. There are some parts that we could do locally, but then also depends upon how much volume that we will be able to sell with.
एक अंतिम प्रश्न आपसे है कि आपने कहा कि 6 साल पहले शुरुआत हुई, 6 साल पहले जो स्थितियाँ थी, आज जो स्थिति आपको लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट या जो माहौल है या जो VC फंडिंग है वो पहले से आसान हुई है, या अभी ये जो समिट है उसके बाद से एक AI क्रांति जो देखने को मिल रही है, आपको लगता है कि
Government is doing a lot. Government has done a lot more in the last 6 years. In fact, the current thing that is trying to do in terms of RDI would be the biggest need, not just for our company, but for anybody who is doing this kind of fundamental technology development in India. So India has, in the past, has been mostly thought as a back office or using technology to use India as a market. We were not producing technology for the globe, right? And that's happening a lot more now. In space tech and sometimes even in defense sector, and now we're also doing in the robotics and AI side of things. There's a lot of boost that the government is doing, and it has done from a policy point of view to a good extent. There are few problems that we still have, especially from importing point of view, where it becomes very expensive for us because R&D, it's a very limited quantity. We have to globally import right now, so that's a lot of funding that goes away. Money. But from a VC point of view, there is a lot of improvement that is yet to happen. So the VC market is more attuned to consumer tech and finance and services businesses, not largely understanding about how the deep tech could be done. So that's an improvement that has to come from a private sector point of view. So the public sector and the government has done what it could do. It's left to the private sector and finance sector to kind of respond in a more convenient manner.
आज बड़ी बड़ी घोषणाएं हुई हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट की, लगता है कि अब सब कुछ ठीक चलेगा?
कुछ तो होगा,
कुछ तो होगा.
So we are all hopeful.
जी.
So yeah. So I think looking forward to the future.
जी. Thank you.
अगर आप भी लेना चाहते हैं देश दुनिया की तमाम जानकारी तो आज ही सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को। साथ ही नीचे दिए बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं ताकि हर अपडेट आप तक पहुंच सके।